In today's fast-paced digital world, making informed decisions quickly is crucial for business growth. Key performance indicators, KPIs, help track, measure, and understand business performance, turning raw data into actionable insights. They highlight what's working and where improvements are needed. Take this website traffic conversion dashboard, for example. It provides key metrics like total campaigns, engagement hashtags, and user conversions, offering a clear view of marketing success. Insights on daily visitors, return rates, and total tweets help gauge website performance and enhance customer engagement. This dashboard also enables global analysis by tracking participation from 16 countries, helping businesses expand their reach. Browser diversity data ensures a seamless user experience across different platforms. These insights empower businesses to refine strategies for better results. KPIs are more than just numbers. They drive smart decision-making. By tracking the right metrics, businesses can grow, boost engagement, and increase conversions. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.